All right, we got the 230 Quadsport up and running. We got front brake master cylinder on. We got the new fuel petcock on. Cheapy little air filter so we can filter the air and not blow up the motor. Turned around and bead sealed the living snot out of the tires so that they'd stop leaking because these steel rims are absolutely corroded and horrible. But she's running, the beater's ready to go. We just need to play with jetting. Yep, last and final thing, she doesn't run too bad, but top end she kind of falls out, so go a little bit fatter on the main jet and call it a day. Enjoy the two ride videos. Wasn't too bad, kind of fun. No brakes on this thing yet. We will get those dialed in eventually. But hey, we got a toy to play on again. I did drop my phone in the further on in the video. I've got this thing clamped on one of those little mini boom stands right up into the frame. Didn't have it too tight, and yeah, bad things happen. So stay tuned for the drop-a-phone and hit that subscribe button. Check out the channel for the thousands of videos we've got up here. Build videos, ride videos, race videos, all kinds of cool stuff. Check it out. Subscribe, memberships available, and comments are always welcome.